Still struggling to burn belly fat no matter what you try? These 8 magical drinks are the natural way to get rid of belly fat fast. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 8 magical drinks that are not only delicious, but will also turn your body into fat-burning machine while you relax and sip away. Let's get started. Number 1. Pineapple coconut water. Pineapple and coconut water make a fantastic combination when it comes to burning belly fat. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and helps break down proteins in your stomach. This enzyme not only improves digestion, but also helps reduce bloating and inflammation, making it a great choice for a belly-flattening drink. Coconut water, on the other hand, is full of electrolytes and is incredibly hydrating, helping your body maintain optimal fluid balance. Together, pineapple and coconut water work synergistically to improve digestion, boost metabolism, and promote fat loss. The natural sugars in pineapple provide a quick energy boost, while the fiber content helps you feel full for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. Plus, coconut water is low in calories and high in potassium, which helps prevent water retention and bloating, making it easier for your body to shed excess weight. To make your own pineapple coconut water drink, blend together fresh pineapple chunks and coconut water for a refreshing, tropical beverage. Drink it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism or as a post-workout drink to replenish your electrolytes and burn fat faster. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink that can help flush out toxins, improve digestion, and speed up fat loss. The combination of water and lemon acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your body from the inside out. Plus, the acidity of lemon helps kickstart your digestive system, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. The real secret to lemon water's fat-burning ability lies in its ability to boost your metabolism. The vitamin C in lemons is a known metabolic booster, helping to increase the rate at which your body burns fat. Drinking a glass of lemon water in the morning can not only hydrate you after a long night of sleep, but also prepare your body for the day ahead. Try squeezing half a lemon into warm water and drinking it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning for a maximum effect. Another benefit of lemon water is that it keeps you full for longer, preventing overeating and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. By drinking lemon water regularly, you're also supporting your body's natural detox process, which can lead to clearer skin, improved digestion, and ultimately, a leaner body. Number 3. Cucumber mint water. Cucumber mint water is a refreshing and hydrating drink that can help you burn belly fat while also keeping you cool on hot days. The high water content in cucumbers helps flush out toxins and reduce bloating, while the mint adds a refreshing flavor that aids in digestion. Together, they create a drink that supports fat loss and keeps your body well hydrated. Cucumber is low in calories but high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. The fiber in cucumber helps you feel full for longer, preventing unnecessary snacking. Additionally, cucumbers are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and water retention, which can often contribute to bloating and belly fat. By drinking cucumber mint water regularly, you'll not only support your metabolism but also keep your skin hydrated and glowing. To make cucumber mint water, simply slice half a cucumber and a few fresh mint leaves and add them to a glass of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes to infuse the flavors, and sip it throughout the day to stay hydrated and boost fat burning. This drink is incredibly low calorie, so it's a great way to stay on track with your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained a reputation as a miracle liquid when it comes to weight loss, and for good reason. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to increase fat burning, reduce belly fat, and lower insulin levels. It can also improve digestion by balancing your stomach's acidity levels, making it easier for your body to process and absorb nutrients. When consumed before meals, apple cider vinegar helps curb your appetite by increasing feelings of fullness, which means you're less likely to overeat. The acetic acid in ACV also helps reduce water retention, making it easier to shed that extra bloat. You don't need to drink much to feel the benefits. Just mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and sip it before meals for best results. However, it's important to note that apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so always dilute it with water to protect your teeth and stomach lining. Also, make sure to drink it in moderation, as too much ACV can lead to digestive discomfort or even damage your enamel over time. Number 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is another powerful drink that can help you burn belly fat naturally. Known for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support healthy skin. Aloe vera juice also has detoxifying effects, helping your body eliminate toxins and waste that may contribute to bloating and fat retention. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly can help regulate your digestive system, making it easier for your body to process food and absorb nutrients. Additionally, it helps balance blood sugar levels, which can prevent insulin spikes that often lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. Aloe vera juice is also known to promote a healthy gut, which is crucial for weight management and fat loss. To incorporate aloe vera juice into your routine, simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel or juice with a glass of water. You can drink this in the morning or before meals to help improve digestion and reduce bloating. Just be sure to buy pure aloe vera juice without added sugars or artificial sweeteners for maximum benefits. Number 6. Ginger tea. Ginger is one of the most effective natural ingredients when it comes to improving digestion and reducing belly fat. It contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate bloating and promote smoother digestion. When consumed as tea, ginger has the added benefit of boosting your metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning throughout the day. Ginger tea works wonders by stimulating the digestive enzymes in your stomach, which can help break down food more efficiently and prevent bloating. Not only does it aid digestion, but ginger also increases thermogenesis in your body. This is the process where your body generates heat, burning fat in the process. Drinking ginger tea regularly can support fat loss while helping to improve overall gut health. To make your own ginger tea, simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 10 minutes. You can add a spoonful of honey or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Drinking ginger tea before meals is a great way to kickstart your metabolism, and it's especially helpful after heavy meals to help reduce bloating. Number 7. Green coffee. Green coffee is made from unroasted coffee beans and is packed with chlorogenic acid, a compound known for its fat-burning and metabolism-boosting effects. Studies suggest that green coffee extract can reduce the absorption of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, leading to lower blood sugar levels and less fat storage. It also helps increase the fat-burning process, especially when combined with a healthy diet and exercise routine. What makes green coffee stand out is its ability to boost your metabolism without the jitters often associated with regular coffee. Since the beans aren't roasted, green coffee contains higher levels of antioxidants, which help detoxify the body and reduce inflammation. If you're looking to boost your metabolism and burn belly fat while still enjoying a caffeine boost, green coffee is a great choice. To prepare green coffee, simply steep ground green coffee beans in hot water for about 10 minutes, or purchase green coffee supplements or ready-made drinks. Drink it in the morning to give your metabolism a kickstart or after meals to help prevent blood sugar spikes and promote fat burning. Number 8. Cinnamon and honey drink. Cinnamon and honey together create a drink that is not only delicious but also packed with powerful fat-burning properties. Cinnamon is known to stabilize blood sugar levels, which can prevent fat storage around the belly area. Additionally, it enhances thermogenesis, the process where your body burns calories to produce heat. Honey, on the other hand, has been shown to help reduce belly fat by boosting your metabolism and providing energy. The combination of cinnamon and honey creates a potent, natural drink that aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and speeds up the fat-burning process. Drinking this beverage before bed is particularly beneficial as it helps promote better sleep, which is essential for weight loss. When you're well rested, your body can function at its best, improving your metabolism and helping you burn more fat throughout the night. To make cinnamon and honey water, simply add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of raw honey to a glass of warm water. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning or before bed for optimal fat-burning effects. Try these drinks for a week and see the difference they can make in your fat-burning journey. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.